From last years, we are conducting events on digital marketing to educate to awareness on digital marketing for students to improve their career, as well as we'll be telling the SMEs to leverage the technology to globalize their business. Okay. So the whole concept is to conduct the event today itself. So most of the events we will be talking about the sharing the information. But we understand that the sharing the information is not enough. We should have some kind of activities where we can understand the like-minded people ideas with entrepreneurs and as well as MBA students. There are a couple of industry experts involving our strategy preparation. So there we will have a couple of 10 to 12 groups. Everyone can brainstorm their ideas, how they are going to grow their business, as well as they'll grab the knowledge from the experts. So it's a kind of a where you can see like-minded people in one platform to understand the business strategy to improve their business. See, why we are creating a platform specifically, but we thought that a single brain will give single idea, but if you can multiple brains will give multiple ideas. If you can invite the couple of people in one platform, definitely there is a takeaway from anyone. So the whole idea is to delegate also should feel happy to attend the event. So the single vision I can say, we want to include this culture, we want to extension this culture to tier 2 cities where there is not opportunity. We're happy to see this kind of culture in Hyderabad, in metro cities. But why can't we bring into tier 2 cities? There are a lot of people who is unemployment. Why can't bring this culture? That is the reason just I started a Facebook group 2 years back. Now we formed almost 4,000 people in Facebook group. So we're happy to welcome all people to join in that group. Thank you.